Good morning, students. Welcome to our math session. Now children, as you know, in our previous session we finished chapter number 12, multiplication part 1, okay, in which we learned multiplying of tens and hundred number. Today we will be learning multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, but not in the way we used to multiply. Today we will learn a new method of multiplication that is called as lattice method, in which we will multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, okay, through lattice method. Let us see what is lattice method. Now children, you can see on your screen the question. It is written multiply 32 multiply by 5, okay. What you are going to do is, your question is 32 multiply by 5. You are going to make a box, okay, in which 6 boxes you are going to draw, okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. In that, what you are going to do, first you are going to put the multiplication sign. I will show you. Okay, so first you are going to put the multiplication sign which you have put here. Then what you are going to do, now you must be thinking then in the question it is 32, but here teacher has written 30 and 2. From where I got this? This 32 number I will split, okay, and what I will do, I will expand that number and it will become 30 and 2. Okay, in one column I will write 30, in another column I will write 2. So 30 and 2 is 32. Okay. Then the multiplication sign, which is already I have put, the first thing you have to do is you have to write the multiplication sign first. Then you have to split that number, that is 30, you will split it into 32, you will split it into 30 and 2. Okay. Then the number 5 is remaining, from which you are going to multiply. That you are going to write it down here, okay. Now what you are going to do, children, once you have arranged the number, now you are going to multiply. First you are going to multiply this 30 by 5, okay. Now this I have taught you yesterday's session, that if you don't know 30's table, how you are going to multiply. Now first you are going to multiply 3 5's. So 3 5's will be 15. Now your 0 is left. So this 0 you will write it here. So when you multiply 30 by 5, you will get your answer 150. Okay. So now children, one number is finished. Now 2 is left. Again what you are going to do, you are going to multiply this 2 with this 5. Okay. So 2 1's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8 and 2 5's are you get 10. So what answer you are getting? 150 and 10. Okay. Now your rows and columns are filled. Now the next step, after multiplying, what you are going to do, I will show you. See, this is the answer. Your rows and columns are full. That is 150, 10. Okay. Now what you are going to do, this 150 you will write here, okay, below this column, and then this 10 you will write here, and you are going to add this, okay. That is 150 plus 10. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. 5 plus 1 will be 6. And 1. Below 1, no number is there. So we will write that 1 down. So when we add 150 plus 10, we get our answer 160. Okay. So when we multiply 32 multiply by 5, what answer we are getting? 160. Understood, children? Now next sum we'll see. Now multiply 37 multiply by 4. Okay, this is our question. What you are going to do? You are going to make 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. So now first thing you are going to do is you are going to write the multiplication sign, that is this sign. Okay. After you have written in the first column you will write multiplication sign. Once you have written the multiplication sign, you are going to split this number 37. That is 30 and 7. Okay, it will become 37. Then your number 4 is left, because this multiplication sign already you have put in the start. So now 4 is left. 4 you will write below x. Okay, below multiplication sign you will write 4. So now what you are going to do? You are going to multiply this 30 by 4. Again, you don't know 30's table. So what you will do is you will multiply 3 by 4. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are will be 12. Okay, 3 fours will be 12 and then this 0 we will write it here. So the answer we get is 120. Understood? 30 multiplied by 4 is 120. Now what you are going to do? You are going to multiply this 7 by 4. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So I am going to write here 28. So what answer I got? 120 and 28. Okay. Now we'll come to the next step. What we are going to do? Now we are going to add this. Okay. Wait. 120 plus we are going to add this 28. This is the answer, children. What you get by multiplying 30 4s and 7 4s, that answer, that both the answer you have to add. So 0 plus 8 will be 8, 2 plus 2 will be 4 and below 1 there is no number, so I will write 1 here. So what I get? When I multiply 37 multiplied by 4, I get my answer 148. Okay. Now next. Okay. Now multiply 56 by 3. Again what I will do? I will first write my multiplication sign. Then this 56 I will split it and I will write in two different columns. That is 50 and 6. Okay. And then I will write this 3 below multiplication sign. Now what I am going to do is I am going to multiply 50 by 3. Again I will multiply 5 3s are first. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are will be 15. Okay. Now this 0 is left. I will write here this 0. So 50 multiplied by 3, I get my answer as 150. Understood, children? First you have to multiply 5 multiplied by 3 and write the answer. Then that 0 which is left, that you have to write beside that 15. So when you multiply 50 by 3, you will get your answer 150. Now again what you will do? You will multiply 6 by 3. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are you will get 18. Okay. So now what answer you got? When you multiply 50 by 3, you got 150. When you multiplied 6 by 3, you got your answer 18. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add this, both the numbers, that is 150 and 18. So let us add. Okay. Now 0 plus 8 will be 8. 5 plus 1, 6 and 1 below. Because no number is below 1, so we will write 1 down. So what answer we get when we multiply 56 by 3? What answer we get? 168. Understood, children? Next. Now multiply 42 by 3. How you are going to do? First what step? First you are going to make 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Then you are going to arrange the numbers in the column. First thing you are going to put the multiplication sign. Then that the number which is given in the question 42, you will split it into 40 and 2. And then the number 3 you will write below multiplication sign. So now we are going to multiply. Okay, after arranging the number you are going to multiply. Okay, so now 40 multiplied by 3, we don't know the table of 40. So what we will do? First we will multiply 4 3s are. So 4 3s are will be how much, children? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are will be 12. Okay, after I multiply 4 3s are, what is left? 0. I'll put that 0 here. So when I multiply 40 by 3, I get my answer 120. Okay. Now what I will do? I will multiply 2 3s are. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So I get my answer 120 and 6. Now the next step is what? I will add this number, that is 120 and 6. 120 plus 6. So what I will do? 0 plus 6 will be 6. 2 below 2 no number is there, so I will write here 2. And below 1 no number is there, so I will write here 1. So 120 plus 6, what answer I get? I get my answer 126. That means when I multiply 42 into 3, I will get my answer 126. Let us move to the next sum. Now multiply 51 into 6. Multiply 51 into 6. Again, first step, 3 rows, 3 column. First thing is you are going to put the multiplication sign, and children, you start from your left hand side, okay? Always start multiplication in lattice method, start from your left hand side. First thing you are going to write is the multiplication sign, okay? After that, what you are going to do, you are going to split this number, that is 50 and 151. We are going to split 50 in one row, one column, and 1 in another column. Okay, then what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 50 by 6. This 6 we will write below multiplication sign. Then we are going to multiply 50 by 6. Now children, we don't know 50 is table, so we will say the table of 5 and we will multiply 5 6 are first. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 5 6s are 30. So I will write here 30. Now this 0 is left. I will write this 0 here. So when I multiply 50 multiply by 6, I get my answer 300. Now I will multiply 1 by 6. So 1 6s are 6. Okay. So now what is the next step? We will do add. We will do addition of this two number, that is 306. Okay. So let us add 300 plus 6. Now 0 plus 6 will be 6. Below 0 no numbers, we will write 0 here. Below 3 no numbers, we will write 3 here. So when I add 300 plus 6, I get my answer 306. Okay. So when I multiply 51 by 6, what I get my answer? 306. Okay. Let us move to the next sum. Now multiply 73 by 5. Okay. Now what teacher told you the first step? You have to make 3 rows and 3 column. In the first column you will write multiplication sign. In the second column you are going to split the number 73. You will write 70 and 3. Okay. And then the number 5 you will write below here, below multiplication sign. Now we will start multiplying. 7 5s are, because we don't know the table of 70, so we will multiply 7 5s are. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. So I will write here 7 5s are 35. Now this 0 children, I will write it next to 35. So when I multiply 70 by 5, I get my answer 350. Okay, now I will multiply 3 by 5. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 5s are 15. Okay, so what is my answer? 350 and 15. Now what I will do? I will add. 350 plus 15. So now wait a second children, I will write it again. 350 plus 15. Okay. So 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay. And 5 plus 1 6. And below 3 no number is there, so we will write here 3. So what answer I got? 365. Okay. Now next. Now multiply 39 by 8. Okay. So first step what we are going to do, 3 rows and 3 column. Then the first, that is multiplication sign. Then we are going to split the number. Okay. That is 39 will be 13 in one column and 9 in another column. Now 30 multiply by 8. We don't know 30 is table. So what we will do? We will multiply 3 by 8 first. Okay. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 24, 3 sevens are, sorry, I'll say it again, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. So I will write here 24, and this 0 which is left, I will write it here. So when I multiply 30 by 8, I get my answer 240. Okay, now 9 eights are. Okay, so 9 eights are, children, is 72. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add this both the numbers. Okay, so I will add 240 plus 72. Okay, so 2, 0 plus 2 will be 2. 7 plus 4, 2, 7, I will add more 4. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 here and 1 will be carry over. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So what answer I get? 312. That means when I multiply 39 multiply by 8, I get my answer 312. Now multiply 27 multiply by 5. The first thing what I am going to do is I am going to make 3 rows, 3 column. Then I am going to write the multiplication sign. Then I am going to split the number 27, that is 20 and 7. And then 5 I am going to write below multiplication sign. Now I am going to multiply. Now 20 table I don't know. So what I will do? I will multiply first 2 by 5. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. Now this 0 is left, this 0 I will write it beside here. Now I will multiply 7 by 5. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28 and 7 fives are 35. So what answer I am getting? 135. So let us add this 135. Now we are going to add this 100 plus 35. Okay. So 0 plus 5 will be 5, 0 plus 3 will be 3, 1 below 1 there is no number, so we are going to write 1 here. So when I multiply 27 multiply by 5, I get my answer 135. So with this children, I finish my today's session of multiplying 2 digit by 1 digit number. Okay. Which method? Lattice method. Now children, before I end this session, I would like to tell you that you have to write all this question in your maths classwork. Okay. From the first question you are going to write all the questions and all the answer in the same way the teacher has written in the slides. Okay. I will show you how you are going to write. First you will write today's date. After writing today's date, you are going to write chapter number 12 multiplication. Don't write part 2, only write chapter number 12 multiplication. After writing that, after you finish writing that, then write multiplication of a 2 digit number by a 1 digit number, the lattice method. Okay. Till here you finish, then you will write the first question, that is multiply 32 by 5, and then how teacher has made rows and column, 3 row 3 column you are going to make, and then you are going to insert the answer like that. Then how I showed you how you are going to add, so you will add below that row and column and write the answer. Okay. Full how many sums are there in the slides? All the sums you are going to write in your notebook. Okay children, I hope you understood this session very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the query session. I will explain you again if anything you are not able to understand, or if you are finding hard or difficult doing multiplication through lattice method. Okay children, so till then See you soon. Bye. Take care and keep learning.